Ons is reg. NTV Network Television welcomes you to Windhoek Gymnasium's Lions Den for their first team tour match against Falcon College, the visitors from Zimbabwe. There we saw a breakaway, and the captain of Windhoek Gymnasium, Vincent Scholes, rounding off the first try of the match for an unconverted try to put them in front 5-0. But the Zimbabweans struck back immediately with an enterprising backline move, and number 13 and number 15 in the line. Number 14, Mondli Nkolomi, rounding off in the opposite corner in the left-hand side, on the left-hand side. Another enterprising move by the Zimbabweans. Not all of their plans worked out. Great defense. They often required Windhoek Gymnasium to be really resolute in defense. They took the ball away again to the right, attacking, as we saw from the Zimbabweans. Then kicked through by JD Mankies, the fly-half for Windhoek Gymnasium, but not coming to fruition, that move. Here we saw another breakaway by Windhoek Gymnasium through the midfield. A strong attack there by number 13 for them, Pieter Stefan Stassen. Another strong attack that saw JD Mankies pulled just short of the line, but he did eventually reach the line and scoring, putting his team in front. The two teams, they were locked at 15 all at halftime, and this was a great play on both sides. 15 all, the halftime score. Windhoek Gymnasium, they set up this driving maul and eventually rounded off by their number 7, Leon Horn. A determined effort by the forwards, driving the Zimbabweans over the line from a long way away. JD Mankies missed that conversion. That was still in the first half. Then Leon Horn broke away from that maul to score his second try in the second half. So a great play there. That try was indeed converted by JD Mankies, putting the score at 22-15 in favor of Windhoek Gymnasium. As time ran out, the Zimbabweans stayed on the attack, but here we see Windhoek Gymnasium with a clean line break, and unfortunately the last pass not going to hand. Some great scramble defense by the Zimbabweans. Xavier De Veer, the number 15 of Gymnasium, running himself out of trouble, and another great line break by number 14, Oliver Seeger, finding support. Vincent Scholes is there to clean out. Then after a sustained period of pressure, it was the Zimbabweans that created a great try for their number 15, Dylan Burton. He scored that try in the corner. They needed that conversion to go over to draw level, but the kick was not successful, and Windhoek Gymnasium surviving to win this match 22 points to 20. So the Zimbabweans will move on from here to go play against Proed Academy in Swakopmund and also against Walvis Bay Private School in Walvis Bay before concluding their tour, returning home and starting their local season. And the same then also for Windhoek Gymnasium, looking forward to preparing for the Standard Bank Under-19 Premier League.